What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm upgrading the front turn signals on my 2026 Ram 1500 Bighorn with the Lasfit switchback LEDs. Here are the new LEDs from Lasfit. Like always, the packaging and overall quality look solid. If you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. Now let's jump into it. For this install, I recommend using a pair of bent nose pliers. They make turning the light sockets much easier. If you do not have any, needle nose pliers should work too. Removing the light socket is pretty straightforward. Just grip with the pliers and turn counterclockwise. The passenger side is a much tighter fit than the driver's side, so if needed, you can remove the air intake box to give yourself a little more room. Just make sure not to drop the light socket, as it can be difficult to retrieve. Now that the light socket has been removed, go ahead and replace the factory bulb with a new LED. Make sure it's oriented correctly before reinstalling the socket. Now it's time to reinstall the light socket. Aligning it with the light housing can be a little tricky since it's a bit of a reach. I found it easier to use the pliers to help guide the socket into place. Once the socket is properly aligned, use the pliers to grip it and turn it clockwise until it is fully seated in place. Now that the more difficult side is complete, repeat the same process on the driver's side. Overall, the install was straightforward and everything worked as expected, with no hyperflash warning messages or error codes. The switchback feature gives the front end a more modern look, and the light output is noticeably brighter than stock. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep building.